Peperomia emarginella, the tiny titan of terrariums. Hi, Ferbu here, and today we're delving into the delightful world of Peperomia emarginella. This miniature marvel isn't your average houseplant. It thrives in a world of its own, the terrarium. For those unfamiliar, terrariums are miniature enclosed ecosystems that allow you to cultivate a slice of the rainforest in your living room. Peperomia emarginella, with its petite size and love for high humidity, is perfectly suited for these enchanting little worlds. But before we get terrarium tips rolling, let's address some common questions about this unique plant. Peperomia emarginella is a creeping vine native to the rainforests of Ecuador and Colombia. It boasts tiny, round, bright green leaves that densely cover its slender stems. This miniature powerhouse creates a lush, moss-like carpet when it matures, adding a touch of whimsy to any terrarium. Peperomia emarginella versus other Peperomia varieties. There are over 1,000 Peperomia varieties, each with its own charm. Here's a quick comparison to some popular cousins. Peperomia obtusifolia. This popular houseplant features thick, fleshy, teardrop-shaped leaves and is known for its resilience. It thrives in well-draining soil and medium humidity, making it a great choice for beginners. Peperomia watermelon. True to its name, this variety boasts stunning variegated leaves with deep green and silvery white markings, resembling a watermelon rind. It prefers bright, indirect light and slightly higher humidity than the obtusifolia. Peperomia ginny. This compact gem features crinkled, heart-shaped leaves with a velvety texture. Similar to Peperomia emarginella, it enjoys high humidity and thrives in terrariums. Terrarium time. Creating a home for your Peperomia emarginella. Now, the fun part. Building your Peperomia emarginella's terrarium. Here's a basic guide. Container. Choose a glass container with a drainage hole or a partially open top for ventilation. Consider the size of your Peperomia. A smaller terrarium is ideal. Substrate. Opt for a well-draining, airy mix. A combination of sphagnum moss, orchid bark, and a touch of charcoal works well. Planting. Gently plant your Peperomia emarginella, ensuring the roots are nestled comfortably in the substrate. Decorations. Let your creativity flow. Add pebbles, driftwood, or small figurines to personalize your terrarium. Watering. Water when the top layer of the substrate feels dry to the touch. Misting occasionally helps maintain humidity. How to care for Peperomia emarginella. Light. Peperomia emarginella prefers bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Humidity. As a rainforest native, it thrives in high humidity. Misting regularly or using a pebble tray filled with water helps maintain moisture levels. Temperature. Aim for warm to cool temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. Fertilizer. This isn't a heavy feeder. A weak dose of balanced fertilizer once a month during the growing season is sufficient. Troubleshooting common Peperomia emarginella issues. Leggy growth. This indicates insufficient light. Move your terrarium to a brighter location. Brown leaves. Overwatering is the culprit here. Allow the substrate to dry slightly between waterings. Yellowing leaves. Lack of humidity might be the cause. Try misting more frequently or using a pebble tray. Peperomia emarginella. More than just a terrarium plant. While Peperomia emarginella shines in terrariums, it can also adapt to well-draining pots with high humidity. However, terrarium life allows it to truly flourish. With its small size, easy care requirements, and captivating charm, Peperomia emarginella is a fantastic choice for terrarium enthusiasts and anyone seeking a unique houseplant. So, why not give this tiny titan a try and add a touch of rainforest magic to your space?